Just since the history, the Uyghurs could be able to find their work in their own homeland with their own neighborhood under the care of their parents. Why they should be transferred to mainland China?
Biz özümüzün yutumuzda nefret, gaz, hemen nersi çıkıdı. Yazılarımızda hemen nersi çıkıdı. Ezelden özümüzün yutuda mol turmuş bilen hayat geçirgen bir xanim biz.
We have been self-sufficient. As you know, the natural gas and the oil reserves are #1 in China. Why Uyghurs cannot employ it there? Why employment opportunities are not shared with Uyghurs?
Neymiş ki biz kendi alıp gittik. Neymiş ki biz ne Xitay hükümeti bakmakçı.
Why Chinese government should take care of us? Why we became that miserable situation, miserable people?
Biz özümüz bakalayımız.
We can take care of ourselves.
Besi bakandı mı biz ki erkinlik verse özümüz bakalayımız. Özümüzden yerimiz mi özümüz gibi esime bakalayımız.
Yes, we can take care of our own affairs and our own land.
Sen Sanspirlan'ın nereden aldın dediniz? Belirtin eğitimlerin turumu kirgen adamların. Kaysi yerden aldın.
You asked me the source of the data. Just let me give you one. Actually, I'm going to give you one. And 2 weeks ago, the chief prosecutor of Uyghur Autonomous Region, whose name is Ismail Rozi, announced that since July 5th till now, more than 296,313 cases were dealt. Among them, 260,000 cases already handled, most of them Uyghurs. It is related to state security. If you think the one person has 3 cases, it is approximately 70,000 Uyghurs already been dealt. It is the official statement. Check Xinjiang, Xinhua, they have the branch in Xinjiang, also Reuters. It is reported. If you send me your email, I will refer that official link.
Biz en aşı website'lardan